All right, we're on the farm by the old granary. By this time next week, it'll be gone. I think I remember painting this, but I'm not sure. It might have been the horse barn, but you can see it's just a sad state of affairs here. Lennis Sand and Gravel is coming to demolish it and take it away. This was the pole where the light, the yard light used to be on. The sun is right up there, so I can't quite go all the way up the pole, but that's coming down. We thought that we might be able to keep that, but not so much. Here is the rollaway from Lennis. And there's our chainsaw man.